The letter P. P stands for parrot. The parrot plays piccolo at the party. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's make a lowercase p. Put your pencil on the dotted line and draw a line going past the baseline to the bottom line. This is called a descender. Retrace your downstroke up to just below the dotted line. Now curve up along the dotted line, over to the right and down, then back to your line to close the circle. Then retrace the bottom of the circle and end your line out to the right in a smile. Write the letter P in the air. Let's practice. Now let's make an uppercase P. Put your pencil on the top line and draw a slanted line to the baseline. Then retrace the downstroke up to just below the top line. Now curve up along the top line over to the right and down, then back just below the dotted line to close your circle. Now write the letter P in the air. Now let's practice. The uppercase P doesn't connect to other letters. It stands alone. The lowercase p connects with its smile. Let's write the word pip. A pip is the small seed of a fruit, like an apple. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!